Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So in this video I'm going to take you along on our day as we work on some house projects and porch decorating and cleaning. We're going to start off on the front porch and do some much needed deep cleaning out there, set up some new furniture, so I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Back in the springtime we moved all of the furniture from the front patio back to the back porch. So ever since then we haven't really spent any time out here and it's just kind of got neglected with the windy season in the springtime and then monsoon season in the summertime. This front patio and porch was in desperate need of some good deep cleaning, and this is just life in Arizona. If you don't keep things cleaned up outside, it will just start looking like this, very dusty and dirty. And as I'm showing you here, all the plants died in this hanging planter box that we made back in the summertime. They had really good drainage in here and everything. I just tried to plant too big of plants into these boxes. If we wanted to plant plants this big, then we should have made the boxes a little bit bigger. They just didn't have enough dirt to grow in here, so I should have planted a little bit smaller plants. But I'm going to clear out all of these dead ones and then I'm going to do something different here a little bit later in the video, so stay tuned for that. We want to do something different around the base of this tree and then add some plants and stuff, but we probably won't do anything here until the springtime. And so in the meantime, I'm just pulling up all of the weeds, getting the sticks picked up, and just cleaning it up a little bit. Jalen had built 2 of these wooden planters for here at the front door, and the one we ended up taking over and putting it in front of the barn when we did the barn makeover, and we planted a bush in there, and that bush flourished all summer long, got some really pretty blooms on it. And so he just went ahead and moved this other planter out of here. We're going to put that somewhere else because we can't plant anything in these here by the front door because it never gets any sunlight, and so we can't get anything to grow here at the front door. So I'm just going to have to do either some faux bushes or some faux trees, something like that. Pressure washing this front porch was so satisfying, and while I was doing this, Jalen was working on going around to all the exterior windows and adding some more clear silicone to the bottom of those. going to be getting some new rugs for the front porch and the patio out here, but in the meantime, I just went back to the back porch and got this rug from there and brought it up here to the front patio, pressure washed that clean, and then we're going to put that underneath of the new furniture. This rug is an outdoor rug from Target, and I did originally have it on the front patio back in the wintertime, but then when we moved all of the furniture to the back porch, I moved the rug back there as well. That pressure washer I was using is a Ryobi pressure washer. We bought that from Home Depot. I love how compact and small it is. It does a really great job, and it's just a really great little pressure washer, so I'll be sure and put a link for it down below. So now we are unboxing some of the new furniture. This furniture here is for this front patio area here, obviously. So if you remember before, we had that big wicker sectional with all of the black cushions here on the front porch, and this just wasn't a great spot for that. We found out eventually, and we ended up moving that to the back porch. Like I said, this front patio gets a lot of wind during the springtime and then a lot of rain and sun during the summertime, so we needed some furniture that was a little bit more minimal and could just stand up to the weather conditions a little bit better. So we went with this minimal 4-piece set here. It's really comfy, and it's got the little table as well if we want to have our coffee out here or something. We usually sit out here on the front patio the most in the winter time, so we'll be using this a lot this winter. This furniture set is all put together, and now I can add the cushions, and I went with the tan cushions. You could either pick the gray cushions or the tan cushions, and I picked the tan because they won't show the dust and the dirt as easily. And this set is so comfy. It's got great back support. We've really been loving it so far. Okay, so now I've got 2 more of these faux olive wreaths to add here to the front door. About 3 videos ago, I think I added one of these to the back door, and I did a giveaway in that video with Nearly Natural, and I got to give away 2 of these wreaths to 2 of you, one of you here on YouTube and then one of you over on Instagram, so that was really fun. And I did have 2 more of these, and they're perfect for here on the front door. They're going to be great for fall time and also for Christmas decorating as well. We just put little nails in the doors to hang the wreaths up on because I'll probably always have wreaths hanging up on here, and I hate to put those wreath hangers on the door that hang over the door because they just really beat up the trim that's up around the door. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do out here on this front patio and porch is to add some faux succulents to this hanging planter here, and I ended up deciding to just do this after all those plants had died. I thought about trying to plant some smaller plants, but we're getting into winter time now, and I had seen some other people just putting faux succulents from Amazon into their planters for easier upkeep, and so I thought, you know what, that's what I'm gonna do too. And I found these on Amazon. They do seem to sell out really quickly, and so I just had to order a box like every couple of weeks. I've been collecting these for probably about a month now, but they're very realistic looking and the best price for this many succulents in a pack that I could find on Amazon. They add such a pop of greenery here. There's no upkeep with these, and I just think they turned out really awesome. I'm going to have to order 1 more box of succulents for the top 2 planters, but I really love how this turned out. I think this was 3 different boxes of succulents that filled up most of this hanging planter right here. So now I'll show some after clips of how clean the front patio and the front porch is looking. Okay, so next we are going to unbox, set up, and hang up a porch swing here on the back porch. But before we do that, I just wanted to quickly clean up the back porch, get it blew off, and then we also do want to pull some weeds out of the flower bed back here. The weather was amazing the day that we filmed this. It was the perfect day to be doing all of these projects outside. You just wanted to be outside all day and enjoy the beautiful weather. That's just how it's been lately. It seems like every day the weather is just awesome. So we've been getting a lot of work done outside and just enjoying that. There was also a beautiful sunset on this night, like a breathtaking sunset. And I did get footage of that here at the end of this video. But now we are getting this porch swing put together here. I've been wanting to hang a porch swing on this end of the porch for a really long time, and we originally thought that we would just build a big wooden bed swing to hang down here with like the ropes going up on either side, but we just decided to go the easy route and get this small wooden porch swing online and hang down here. This one will also work a lot better because it's a smaller porch swing, and we do walk around this porch a lot, so we couldn't have anything too wide that would take up too much space here. We still needed to be able to walk beside of it. So every piece of this porch swing did have to be put together. The only piece that was actually all one piece was the back piece here. Everything else Jalen had to screw together and basically build the whole swing. And also, just a heads up, this swing doesn't come with any hooks to hook it into your porch ceiling. We did have a couple of those on hand, thankfully, that we were able to put into the beam here. So we had to run down to the hardware store to grab some more chains to extend these chains a little bit longer, because obviously the porch swing was way too high, but we got that down to the perfect height, and it's just really comfy and peaceful to come out here and swing on the porch swing. I just had my coffee out here this morning, and then we headed out for an evening walk while the boys rode their bikes. They love to ride their bikes out on this dirt road, and the sunset was just breathtaking on this night. So we hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching and supporting our channel. We appreciate each of you so much. And a big thank you to awesome.com for sending over all of that furniture for our front porch and patio, and also the porch swing. That was really awesome of them, and we really appreciate it. And we'll see you all in a couple days with a brand new video. Bye.